Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, why does your HUAWEI Freebuds 7i so quiet? Firstly, I recommended to clean the grill. Remove ear tips from your earbuds. Right here we have the grill. You can use the brush, but if you haven't cleaned tool you can also use toothbrush and just slightly clean it. And do this for another earbud also. Next step. Maybe the problem is your headphones just too old, or maybe you need to contact customer service. But if you have this problem with only one earbud, I have a solution for you. It's not totally fixed, but it may help you. So we can change audio balance. Firstly, I will show you how to change it on the iPhone, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find the similar path to these settings. Okay, on your iPhone, open Settings. Then we should go to Accessibility, what located under the General Settings. Tap at the Accessibility. Then you need to scroll down. In the hearing, we have audio and visual line. Tap at that line, then scroll down, and right here you will find audio balance. So what this mod do? If you move this dot to the right, you will lower the volume for the left earbud. But you need to, I recommend you to play some music, some audio, and move the slider and find something good for you. If you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute sound for your left earbud. If you move this dot to the left, you will lower the volume for the right earbud. And that's it for the iPhone. Now let's move to Android. On Android you need to open Settings and then move to the Accessibility. I have stock Android. On stock Android, accessibility located at the bottom in the settings. On your phone it may be at the beginning, at the middle, it depends. Enter into accessibility, then scroll down, and again at the bottom we have audio adjustment. Tap at that line, and right here we have audio balance. If you move this slider to the left, you will lower the volume for your right earbud. But be careful with it. I recommend it to play some audio and move this dot and find the best one for you. If you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound for your right earbud. If you move this dot to the right, you will lower the volume for your left earbud. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.